Widget of the week. So today we're gonna talk about table. As you can see, I just have an so this is just arrange it. So this is, as you can see, I just begin with my row. I just arrange it in the single page. So as you can see, the app, this is the app. So this is everything. This is how you use table. Then start to arrange everything. Table row, children, like that. So this is where one row. This is where one row end, one table row end, and this is another one. So it depends how many you're going to put them. So this is how to arrange it. You can just play around with it. There's a lot of things you can do with Flutter Widget. So guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video. Until then, see you guys.